What's up, my family? It's been a long time. I finally got a decent mic, but let's get this tutorial off. Jumping pretty simple. We're going to do 736s. Show you how to incorporate them in different styles of music, R&B, gospel, shuffle, praise songs, worship songs. We're going to teach you how to do all this stuff. But if you don't know the key of A flat, let me introduce you to the key of A flat. The 1 is A flat, the 2 is B flat, the 3 is C, the 4 is D flat, the 5 is E flat, the 6 is F, the 7 is G, and the 1 again is A flat. So when we say 736 and you see guys, musicians in the band calling out these numbers, you're like, what the heck are they talking about? The numbers we're giving you are just the progression of a song at a particular time. The bass notes, where the bass is going, pretty much dictates the song. So I said 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we go from G to the 3, 1, 2, 3, C to the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, F. So we go from the G, which is 7, C, which is the 3, F, which is the 6. So, for instance, you hear this type of progression in very cool songs. One of the songs being "Gain the World." 736. Watch for the 736. The G, C, to F. So, gain the whole world. Gain. Is in that song. You hear it in praise songs. Also, for instance, praise the Lord, everybody. But what we're gonna focus on is just how to voice the 736 and how to get different ideas in the 736. So let's start off simple, and then we're gonna build upon that. So first let's get a couple chords down. So we basically going from D7. Let's do this one. Left hand is G, E flat. Right hand is F, B flat, D flat. So don't keep it simpler. 7 to this chord, which is like a left hand goes C, A flat. Right hand is going E flat, A flat, and C. So all together. So let's do the 6 right here. So 7, 3, same chord. Let's keep it simple beginning. F, A flat, C, underneath E flat, A flat, and C. So how would that sound in context? We're playing. That's how it fits in. Simple. That's 1736. Pretty simple. And like I said, we're gonna build up on the ideas. Something you can do to make your playing sound a lot better is to do leading lines. You saw me go. So now I'm playing the C minor chord, but I walked into it. So what is that? Again, so we're going B flat, C, and I'm gracing. You're hitting in that West Coast style music. So we're going to add up on this. So it's F, B flat, and C sharp the same, but you're gracing from the A flat, A, B flat. So to the. Let's do this chord. C, E flat, G, B flat, over underneath C, E flat, G, B flat, and C. So again, to this big chord, right? This nasty chord. Watch this. Look at that 6th chord. Nice. So left hand goes C, F, C, E flat, and G. Right hand goes A flat, B flat, C, E flat, G, and B flat. So excuse me, 3, 6. So we're going from like almost a dominant chord to an E flat minor to a F minor. It's a big F minor. So the leading line, B flat C, you can get the C sharp, hit that grace, hit that chord. That 3 chord I showed you. Or 6. That's another way. So let's build upon these 7, 3, 6s. I gave you a leading line, and I want to do is show you a tritone you can play on top of that. So we're gonna go. You hear that? Same as that chord in your right hand. And we're gonna build upon your tritone. So left hand goes F, B, B. Right hand goes to that same chord. You can walk down. Left hand goes E, B flat. And then your left hand goes A flat, C. Got me? So 7, 3. Right hand goes A flat, E flat, A flat, C over E, and B flat. Then you go in with the same 6th chord I showed you a while ago. To give it some rhythm, we can go. What do I do? So I'm pedaling. Just call it pedaling. 7, 3, 6. So I hit the G in my left hand first. Then I go to the G tritone, which is F and B. Hit the C in my left hand, and come up higher. Hit the C tritone, which is E and B flat. Whatever version you want to do it again, we do it down here. Then I hit the 6th chord. F and then go to the. Got me? So. I like that. Okay, what did I do there? I went pedal. Did the same thing. So it's. You got me? Again. Slow it down if you can't get it. So pedal, G, tritone, C, tritone. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, let's give a little West Coast flair to it. This is what some stuff they do. So you hear them go. So you got me. So what we do? 7. And we did a tritone. We're gonna do a tritone over the C to get to the C. Make it C a tritone. So a tritone away from C would be what? That's the tritone for C. Remember? The C off of C. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. Hear that? I'm gonna do that. Still a tritone. It sounds a little weird right now, but in context, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. So I'm hitting C sharp in the left hand and B and G, excuse me, it's the tritone. But I'm also holding C at the top, so it's like rolling up. F, F sharp, G, then falling down, keep the C up top. Left hand goes C. Right hand goes B flat, F sharp, and C. So the whole movement is. So in context, So I think it was song. I'm just doing some talk music. 1, 2, 3. That's a way. So put the tritone over that. 3, ba da, 6. Pretty cool. We can do the tritone over the 7 and the 3. Ha ha ha. So we go from here. So from here to here, right? So it's here, right? So it's ba da da da. Pretty cool. Okay, so I showed you a normal one. I showed you some tritones. I showed you a tritone substitution. Now let's do some alternate chords over the 7-3-6. Let's take it farther out. Okay, let me just do some talk music and figure some stuff out. So. So the next one I want to show you is I learned this from I forgot who I learned this from, but to really trick the ear, we know the 6 is usually minor. So I showed you all the minor chords. So let's do something like this. Listen to this. Okay, guys. So I showed you some 7-3-6. I showed you a simple one. I showed you a very simple one. I showed you one that with some leading lines. I showed you some tritones. There's one more I want to show you before we go a little further out. I said we're gonna go further out before, but I want to show you let's voice the 6 a different way. So let's way to voice the 6. So you can go even 3. So 7, 3, 6. You hear that? So I'm sliding from C sharp to D, D and F to C and E flat, harmonizing that together over the C, E flat, G, and B flat. So, you got that one. So it's 7, 3, 6. The next one I wanted to do was one that's a little more further out. We know that the 6 is usually minor, but I'm going to do major. So I'm going from do something like that. So sticking with some of the similar chords we did. This is very cool. Because songs like there is power in the name of Jesus to break every chain, break every chain. There's power. In the name of Jesus. I get to that F, I'm doing a run. That run is B flat, A, F, C, and repeating it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Incorporate these 7/3/6s, put them in your slow songs, put them in your fast songs, and watch your playing get taken to another level. If you have any more ideas for songs, I have my setup here now, so I can definitely give YouTube tutorials now. For all those who haven't joined the family yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button. You know where it is. Go watch the last video. I have some good songs out. One song that I'm working on now is the one new song by Miranda Curtis. Heavens Open. Hey guys, I love that song. I'll be looking for a tutorial this week. I know the song already, just haven't recorded it. Very cool song. So work on those 7/3/6s. Work on voicing them different ways, taking your extensions and adding on to it, guys. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon.